In this video, we will solve the problems for the sets for O levels and IGCSE. On this Venn diagram, shade the region representing by B complement intersection A. Question number 1. This is A intersection B complement. That means outside the region B and inside the A, the common region. So this is the representation of that A intersection B complement, or in other words, it is only A of this. Here are some informations about 100 people who visited a cafe. 32 drinks coffee. So N of C is equal to 32. 40 drinks tea. So N of T there is represented equal to 40. 50 eat a party, which is represented by P. 18 drinks coffee and a party. Coffee and party. So intersection will be used, and that is equal to 18. 21 drinks tea and party. Tea and party, that is 21. This is the figure shown there. It is tea, it is P, and it is coffee. Copy the Venn diagram to show this information for this 100 people. So the universal set is basically equal to 100. Now, also find N intersection of P, T union P union C whole complement. So let's start from this. N of universal set is equal to 100. N of C is 18. First of all, we will represent that portion which are having the common in 3 or common in 2. So C intersection P is equal to 18. C intersection P is equal to 18. We can write this figure again. C intersection P is equal to 18. So this number is 18 there, which is common between these two. Then T intersection P is equal to 18, 21. So that is 21 there. Now N of P is 50. So N of P is 50. That means what? This 21 plus 18 plus this X. So 21 plus X plus 18 is equal to N of P there. So X should be equal to 50. So it should be equal to 50 minus 21 minus 18, or it should be equal to 50 minus 39, or that thing is equal to 11. So this is 11 there for T only there. Then N of T is equal to 40. So already 21 is there. So let's say that is equal to Y. So we say that Y plus 21 is equal to 40, or Y is equal to 40 minus 21, and that thing is equal to 19. So this portion is equal to 19 for only T there. And N of C is equal to 32. So let's say that is Z. So 18 plus Z is equal to 32 there. So Z is equal to 32 minus 18, and that is equal to 14. So this portion is equal to 14. So this is the completion of this all components in the Venn diagram which is given to us for that paper. Now in the last part, find the number of elements of T union P union C whole complement. We know that the total of this sets is equal to 100. So we will count that all this N of P union C union T is equal to 19 plus 21 plus 11 plus 18 plus 14 plus this k value there, which is the complement of all this union there. That thing is equal to 100. Our k should be equal to 100 minus this 40, this 29, and this is 40. So k should be equal to 100 minus 54 minus 21, or it should be equal to 100 minus 75, or it is equal to 25. So this number is represented by equal to 25. So number of P union C whole complement is equal to 25. Now the next question. Use a notation to describe the shaded region in the Venn diagram of this P, R, and Q universal set. So this is the universal set they have shown. Here they have shown it as P, this is Q, and this one is R, and this region is shaded there. That means except few elements, the rest of the regions are this shaded part. We know one thing, that it is outside of elements of Q, inside P and R. So we can write this thing as P union R with intersection of Q complement. This is the set which is represented by the shaded region of this figure there. Outside Q, but inside P and R. So you can write this as a union of these two and then intersection with the Q complement. The next part is B, that X universal set is equal to a set X such that X is a positive integer number. This is integer, not some number. A is such that X belongs to greater than 9 and less than 10. They are all numbers inside between 9 and 10. And B set is X such that X is an irrational number. Irrational number means those who don't have the repetition are not, they have the termination. So are which are not rational, they are known as to be called irrational numbers. Now we'll present them. Write down the elements of this A intersection B. So if this is the shape of this universal set, which is having all positive numbers there, then this is A set, which is between 9 and 10, and there is set B, which is the set of an irrational numbers, which can be as numbers inside A, as some side numbers are outside A there. So this A intersection B, they are asking. So this is this set there, which is the common elements between A and B there. That means they are irrational numbers as well as they are in between 9 and 10 there. Question 3 now. The sets A, B, C are shown in the Venn diagram. Universal set X is an integer, X greater than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 18. A is an even number. B, X is a multiple of 5. And find n of A union B. Then Given that A intersection B complement intersection C complement is equal to 2, 6, 14, and 18, then list the elements of C. Describe the set C in the words X is such that X is. So this is the question 3 of that part. Now we'll use the solution of this. So when X is an integer which is from 1 to 18, so we will first find the X and then we find A and then B and then we list the elements accordingly. Since X is an integer from 1 till 18, so this will be equal to 1, 2, 3 up till 18 is the set of this universal set here. Then X is an even number. So for this even number, because A should be a subset of this universal set, so it is an even number, so it should be equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18. So this is the set A there. B, X is a multiple of 5. So it should be equal to 5, 10, 15, and like that. Now we are going to calculate this on the figure. We will show it first, and then we will calculate the rest of the things for this question here. So it is 1 till 80 is there. 2, 4, 6. It is 2, 4, 6, 8. Then 10. B is the 10, 12, 14, 8, 16, 18. B set is the multiples of 5. So 5, 10 is already there, and 15. Now rest of the elements. Now A union B. So that means we are going to combine these two sets there. So A union B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 5, 18, 16, and 15. So you are going to combine all these elements of A and B there. Then N A intersection B complement intersection C complement is equal to 2, 4, 6, 18, and 14. So this means that it is the only A set there. So only A is going to be replaced by this 2, then there is 6, then there is 14, and then there is 18. List the elements of C there. So 2 is there, C is a subset of A. So all elements of C should be a part of the set A there. So 2 is there. Now 4, 6, 8, 10 is in this portion of A intersection B there. 12, 14, 14 is already set in A, 16 is already in set A, and 18 is already in set A there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16 and 18. So list the elements of C there, which are equivalent to 4, 6, 8, and 12. Describe in words set C there. So it is 4, 6, 8, and 12, which are the multiple of 4. So we can write this thing as it is a set X such that X is a multiple of 4. For this part C, a school offers piano lessons and flute lessons to a group of 50 children. Of these children, 28 attended piano classes, 17 attended flute lessons, and 12 attended neither piano nor flute lessons. By drawing a Venn diagram or otherwise, find the number of the children who attended only the piano lessons. So this is the total set of that thing is 50, where piano students are 27, 28, flute are there 17 students. When they say neither piano nor flute, so that means in our mathematical language, we say that P union F whole complement, or in other words, if we use the language, then this P union F whole complement is basically equal to P complement intersection F complement, which is equal to 12. Now they are asking that find the number of the piano students only. So that means what piano intersection flute complement. We are going to find it out there. So first of all, we will make the Venn diagram and then we will calculate the thing which is required for the only piano there. So in this case, there are total 50 students. So n of universal set is equal to 50. So this is representing P and this is representing F. 50 are already there. Now n of P is 28, n of F is 17, and neither P nor F that is equal to 12. So we can write this thing as equal to 12 because it is outside of P and F there. So it means the rest of the things which are inside, which is 50 minus 12, that is equal to 38. So in this, they are asking the rest of the things. Now here, if it is equal to x, then it should be equal to 28 minus x. If it is f is representing 17, then it should be equal to 17 minus x. Now we will first find out the common element between P and F there. We know that 50 is equal to 12 plus 28 minus x plus x plus 17 minus x. So this minus x and plus x are cancelled out. So 50 is equal to 12 plus 28 is 40 plus 17 minus x. So x should be equal to 57 minus 50. Now that thing is equal to 7. So these which are having both piano and flute, that is equal to 7 of that class there. Now they are asking this piano there, that is 28 minus 7, that is equal to 21 there. So this is 21 we have calculated there. So those who have attended only piano there, so P intersection F complement is equal to 21 of that lot there. Question number 4 now. The universal set is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. P is x such that x is equal to 0, 1, 2. Q is equal to y such that y is equal to 0, 2. List the elements of P intersection Q. Find n of P complement union Q. And if R is equal to Z such that Z is equal to 2x plus y, where x belongs to P and y belongs to Q, then list the elements of R there. This is the figure given to us. So we are going to find out first the elements of P intersection Q there. So P intersection Q. So 0 is common between these two. 1 is not common, 2 is common there. So 0, 2 is the list of the elements of P intersection Q there. Then P complement union Q. First of all, we will find P complement. So that is all the universal elements, but not of P, that is equal to 0 is not there, 0, 1, 2 is excluded. So it should be equal to 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then P complement union Q. So this P complement is 3, 4, 5, 6 with the union of this Y which is 0, 2 there. So it should be 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And they are asking for this number of elements of P complement union Q. So that thing is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 elements for this P complement union Q there. Then the third part C. R is such that Z is equal to 2x plus y, where x belongs to P and y belongs to Q. So we will first find the relationship between P 2x plus y there. So Z is basically equal to 2x plus y. So if Z is 0, 0 into 2 plus 0, so that is equal to 0. Then 0 into 2 plus 2, that is 2. Then 1 into 2, 2 plus 0 is 2 there, which is already in the list. Then 1 into 2, 2 plus 2, 4. Then 2 into 2, 4 plus 0 is 4 already there. Then 2 into 2, 4 plus 2, 6 is there. So 0, 2, 4, 6 there. So this is the list of the number of the Z there. So 0, 2, 4, 6 is the members of this Z set there.